Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete Gmail account on mobile. So if you want to remove the Gmail account from your device but not delete your Gmail account permanently, this is what you can do. If you want to remove only the Gmail account only on this device but want to still have access on your account from other devices, you can just simply go to the settings, and here you can scroll down and find the accounts option, this one. Click on account and then now click on Google in here, or here you can just choose which email that you want to remove. For example, in this phone I have two Gmail account, so just simply click on the account that you want to remove, and in here there will be this option to remove the account. So you can just tap on that, remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts, and other data from the phone. So if you are confirmed, you can just tap on remove account, and just like that the Gmail account will be removed from this device. But if you are using iOS, you can just go to settings, tap on password and accounts, and then tap accounts, tap the account that you want to remove, and then tap on delete the account. So the second one, if you want to delete your entire Google account, or you want to just delete your account on Google, this means that it will permanently delete your Gmail account as well as other Google services associated with your account, such as Google Drive, YouTube, and Google Photos. You can just go to the Google account management page. You can just here click on go to your Google account. Here you can tap on manage your Google account in here. So on this page you can just find the option to delete your Google account and data, and after that you can just follow the instruction on the screen to delete your entire Google account. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can remove a Google or Gmail account from a device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.